Hello, everybody. I hope everybody's having a good time wherever they are, and I hope you're staying blessed. All right, I just want to kick off and get straight into this segment of our videos as promised. All right, my fellow trading engineers slash trading investigators or detectives. Now, in this segment, we're going to actually discuss candle charts for complete beginners. This will help us learn how to trade price action. You know, in the beginning, I didn't understand what is price action. I was really confused. Technically, it's actually easy. Now, what is meant by price action, right? According to Wikipedia, it means that the price action is a method of billable negotiations in the analysis of the basic movement of the price to generate signals of increase and exit in trades that stand out for its reliability and for not requiring the use of indicators. Right. What does this purely mean? Okay, so what it means is that get rid of all of this spaghetti that's actually on your charts. Now, on our charts, we tend to see moving averages. We tend to see the likes of stochastic. We're seeing a lot of um, MACDs all over the charts. If you have a look at this chart, I mean, what sense do you make out of it? Because of the fact that the MACD or even the moving average can tell you two different things. The moving average might tell you to buy, and the MACD is telling you to sell. So that actually gives you, as a detective, a person that doesn't have direction as to what they're supposed to be investigating or diagnosing within the market itself. So you would rather have a clean chart. On a clean chart, you do understand where where to look for a problem, where to identify where the problem is, or you know what you are investigating because there is no confusion. It's either it is up or it's either it is down. Now, I know that looking at a candlestick chart can tend to be a little bit confusing, but technically it's actually very, very, very easy. Now, let's have a look at it. All right, what is a candlestick? Now, we need to understand this part first before we can actually, so we can go and make a chart, right? A candlestick, what does it do for us? A candlestick is simply a visual way of representing the movement of price on a chart on a given time period, right? What do I mean by simple? Now, on this chart, we have a 5 minute time frame, all right? And if you have a look at this candle right here, this candle represents 12 o'clock, okay? If you look at the bottom of the chart, it aligns properly with the 12 o'clock time period. So this is just an indication as to telling us what happened to the specific candle between 5 and 12 o'clock. Just a representation of what happened between 12 o'clock and 5 past 12. All right, let me look at another one. This is the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, if you look at the same candle, it looks different by shape. What do we see? We also see that this candle is also at 12 o'clock. The only difference is that it actually developed from 12 until 1 o'clock. So I hope by now you can actually see that what we're noticing is that a candlestick is just a representation of what price has done during a certain time frame. Right, we also get time frames such as the daily. This is again what the candle has or what has prices represented during the time frame of the daily volatility. averages for the hours a day. All right, I hope that is simple enough to explain, showing you that what has happened within that time or the time frame or that time frame. Okay, let's move on. So now we need to ask ourselves the following. It's very important that we understand what are we actually seeing from these candles, or what is shown to us. All right, we do understand that the candle shows us what price has been doing over a certain time. That we understand. Okay. Now, what actual information does the candle show us? All right. The first and the most easiest by eye. If I look at the colors, all right, and I see a green color, to me, this represents that price has been rising, all right, and that price has actually closed above the open, okay. On the other hand, that tells me price has been rising. The other color that I notice is red. If I see a red color, this is an indication for me that price has been dropping. What that means is that price has actually closed below the open. All right. What else can I actually see on the candlesticks that's giving me more information? The other thing that you'll see is that price has a high point where it reached, all right, and it also has a low point where it reached. You kindly see this when you see wicks that represent the high and the lows. Sometimes the full body actually, or the real body covers the highs and the lows. That is still representing a high, even though it's by the close. It can also be represented as a high or a low. Okay. All right. You do get some candles that actually close in the same spot where they've opened. All right. Right, let's move on. Let's have a look at the chart. Now, if we're looking from the left to the right hand side, starting on the left hand side, we are actually looking at the daily time frame, as you can see. We see from the left hand side a lot of red candles that have been falling. Now, in the market, this is indicated to us as a bearish market. All right. And if we move on further where it turns away, this is an indication for us when we see a lot of more green candles that the market has been rising. It's also as a bullish. All right. I hope this is a lot clearer when we see it like this. Now we've got an understanding as our fellow detectives and as an engineer what we are looking at. Either you're looking at a bearish market or you're looking at a bullish market when it comes to the candle. All right, let's move on, or even price action. I apologize. Okay, you know my motto. Focus. Focus, guys, focus. We're getting into the serious stuff. You all know what it means. Follow one course until successful. I won't change. We're going to follow one course until we're all successful. Hopefully what we've just learned will actually just give us a clue as to what is price action. Now we're going to move on to the next segment, which will actually deal a lot more around the candles. All right, see you on the next one. Cheers.